TORRAS is always committed to environmental protection and giving back to the earth. In 2023, we launched TORRAS Green to reduce supply chain pollution and make real contributions. TORRAS has now embraced paper plastic sustainable and environmentally friendly materials for all offline product packaging in Europe and America. Our cooperation with WeForest reached its first anniversary. TORRAS sponsored the restoration of 1,477 hectares of forest and grew 2,958 trees in the Tite project in Brazil. Join TORRAS to protect the planet and create a sustainable future. Every step today matters for tomorrow.